Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, class. Welcome to the biology class. Today we will discuss the next disorder of kidney, which is kidney failure. Okay, kidney failure is basically complete or partial failure of kidney to function. Okay, when kidney do not function properly, partially or completely, this is called as kidney failure. Okay. What are the causes of kidney failure? Kidney failure के causes क्या हैं? Different causes like diabetes mellitus, okay, hypertension, okay, these are causes of kidney failure, and sometimes there is sudden interruption in the blood supply to kidneys. Okay, kidney do not receive blood properly. If there is interruption in the blood supply to kidney, that also lead to the kidney failure. And drug overdose, it is also result in kidney failure. So these are the causes of kidney failure: diabetes mellitus, hypertension when a person take more tension, and then sudden interruption in the blood supply to kidney, and drug overdoses. These all are the causes of kidney failure. Okay, now next, the symptoms of kidney failure. What are the symptoms of kidney failure? There are different symptoms of kidney failure. When kidney do not perform properly, then what happened? There are different waste materials, they come into the blood. For example, level of urea and other waste, they are increase in the blood. Okay, and this result in vomiting, nausea, weight loss, frequent urination, and blood in urine. So these are all the symptoms of kidney failure. And when there is excess fluid in the body, it results in swelling of different areas of body like legs, feet, face. They get swell, and then shortness of breath. These are all the symptoms of kidney failure. Okay. Now next is the treatment of kidney failure. How you can treat kidney failure? Basically, kidney failure is treated with two methods: dialysis, okay, and kidney transplant. Okay, we will discuss dialysis now today. Dialysis basically means artificially when clean the blood. This process is known as dialysis, because in kidney failure blood is not properly filtered by kidney, and there are waste material, they come into the blood, so we have to remove that waste material. So cleaning of blood by artificial means, it is called as dialysis. Basically, there are two methods of dialysis. Okay, one is peritoneal dialysis, and other one is hemodialysis. Okay, first one is we'll discuss is the peritoneal dialysis. This is the procedure of peritoneal dialysis. In peritoneal dialysis, what happened? Dialysis fluid. This is dialysis fluid is moved from outside into the body. In the body, in peritoneal cavity, dialysis fluid is we pump the dialysis fluid into the peritoneal cavity. This peritoneal cavity is basically a space around the gut. गट के जो राउंड स्पेस होती है उसे आप पेरिटोनियल कैविटी होती है कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो पेरिटोनियल कैविटी इज बेसिकली लाइन विद द पेरिटोनियम. पेरिटोनियम हैव डिफरेंट blood vessels. Okay, when we place dialysis fluid in the peritoneal cavity, there are different waste materials from peritoneal blood. They diffuses into the dialysis fluid, and then जब diffuse होंगे, then what happened? Waste materials are removed from them, and then the drain जो blood जो waste material होगा, it will move out from your body. Okay, so this is how peritoneal dialysis is performed. Okay, this peritoneal dialysis is basically done at home. आप घर पे भी कर सकते हैं. Even your cars, people they perform peritoneal dialysis, but ये कि it can be done every day. हर रोज करना पड़ता है. It's very like रोज करें आप इसको. Peritoneal dialysis. So this is the peritoneal dialysis, in which fluid from outside, which is called dialysis fluid, is pumped into the peritoneal cavity, and peritoneum blood vessels they are, then उनमें से blood then it diffuses into to the dialysis fluid, and then which is then drained out. Okay, that's how peritoneal dialysis is performed. Okay, next is hemodialysis. This is basically hemodialysis procedure. In hemodialysis, what happened? Patient blood, it is not performed into the in your homes. घर में नहीं कर सकते. It can be performed in different dialysis centers होते हैं. वहाँ पे you will perform this hemodialysis. इसमें what you can do? Hemodialysis is performed by a dialyzer. Dialyzer basically is a apparatus which is used in this hemodialysis. इसमें what happened? Patient blood is from they move into the dialyzer. Dialyzer में अब patients का blood they will move into it, and then this dialyzer have basically dialyzer tubes which act as a semi-permeable membrane. Okay, what happened? Blood will move into this dialyzer tubes. इसके अंदर blood इसके अंदर move करेगा, और dialyzer fluid, this is dialyzer fluid, and this dialyzer fluid it moves around these dialyzer tubes. Okay, what happened when, and then the different waste material from this dialyzer tube move into the around the dialyzer fluid which is present around these tubes. Okay, so use dialyzer fluid is they will आप उसको अलग से वो they will move out, and then the patient blood they will move back into the his body into another tube. So that is called the hemodialysis, in which patient blood is moved into the dialyzer, and the fluid which is called the dialyzer fluid is move around the dialyzer tubes, and then the waste material from the blood they will move into the dialyzer fluid, and then clean blood from another tube they will move into the patient's body. Okay, this treatment basically perform in different centers, and they do not you cannot perform it in your homes, and this dialysis can be performed twice or thrice, 2 or 3 times per week आपने करना होता है. It's very crucial कि आपने ज़रूर अपना इस तरह पेशेंट को करना पड़ता है. It's very must procedure. Okay, okay, I think from today it's enough. You have to learn it, and short questions बनाएं इसमें से, long questions बनाएं और MCQs बनाएं. Okay, for today, Allah Hafiz.